Ay, napakahalaga sa magaling ang unang gintong medalya ng Pilipinas sa Olimpiada. It took us 96 years to win our first gold medal. It came from Italy. Look at all the achievements we have in Southeast Asian Games, Asian Games, and ito darating na LA Olympics. Importante kasi yung parangal, binibigay natin yan at binibigyan natin ng parangal, hindi lang upang magpasalamat, but to encourage the young kids. Ito kahapon, sino na-qualify na naman, World Cup, Filipinas for the second time. It is really a recognition that is truly deserving. It's a recognition that, you know, in our own little way as a Philippine Sports Commission, we want to show our countrymen na ang sports patas sa lalaki, patas sa babae. Kung minsan it makes us smile, mas maraming gintong binibigay ang mga kababaihang Pilipina. But that is the proof that solid tayo as a nation. Yung programang binibigay ni President Marcos, yung programang binibigay ng gobyerno para sa Philippine sports is something na dapat nating alagaan and bigyan ng parangal. Sabi ko nga, napakahirap manalo ng medalya sa larangan ng yung mga paligsahan sa SEA Games, Asian Games, Olympics. Pero yung Filipino athlete talagang nandyan lumalaban para sa bayan. And then, as I've said, maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo nila. At itong Women in Sports Awards is our own little way of telling them maraming salamat sa serbisyo at sa karangal ang binibigay nyo sa Pilipinas.
Chairman po ba tayo nakalaptan specifically ng mga programs para sa mga kababaihan po?
Yes, as a matter of fact, Commissioner Bongko wants to organize an event na all women sports events. No? That's exciting. That is truly exciting. Yung mga hinuhost natin ngayon na mga events, we make sure na talagang ang representation is patas. Diba? Hindi mawawala yan. And we will go all out to make sure that this annual gathering becomes really a fitting recognition to our Filipina athletes. We have to inspire them. No? Yung parangal kasi usually masasalamat yan eh. But it should also serve as an inspiration to the young Filipinas na gusto ko mag-sports kasi may recognition binibigay ang ating gobyerno. At kasama po talaga yan sa programa ng Philippine Sports Commission at ang Office of the President.
Okay, ikaw muna. Chairman, may iba naman akong topic. You went to Cebu, to Iloilo, to Davao for some activities, and of course, yung parang big discussions on how to put up more premium sports complexes sa mga provinces. So, nangyari nga, nagbunga nga itong partnership ninyo with those LGUs na kausap ninyo, especially yung Sambo natin.
Yes, yan yung mga regional training centers eh. Alam mo, magandang tanong yan na kadikit itong mga programa na sports for women. Kasi alam naman natin, how can you pull out the young women, yung young athletes, young Filipino athletes from their families? How can you pull them out from yung pag-aaral nila? So, dapat ng Philippine Sports Commission dyan, itatag natin yung regional training centers so that yung mga young Filipino athletes don't have to leave their homes, they don't have to leave their families, they don't have to leave their province, diba? And yan yung mga programa na talagang magtataguyod. And later on, we will realize that it's a program na ang dami-dami nating atleta na galing sa mga probinsya who will become national athletes.
Lastly lang po, Chair, ano po yung message po natin sa more than 80 na awardees po na dito po napaparangalan po ngayon?
Message ko is more than 18 pasasalamat din. Talagang taus-pusong pasasalamat in behalf of the Philippine Sports Commission, in behalf of the Office of the President, President Bongbong Marcos. Dahil galing po talaga sa puso yan. Kasi yung parangal na yan, parangal yan dahil binigyan nila ng talagang tagumpay yung bayan natin. You know, when we see the Philippine flag being hoisted and you're singing the Lupa Minirang, let us not forget, and we will never forget, it took us us 96 years to win our first Olympic gold. Sino yan? Idelin Diaz. Diba? Hindi na mawawala yan sa history ng Pilipinas, ng Philippine sports. That is why we just have to give recognition year in and year out because it's our own simple, little, humble way of saying thank you to the Filipinas.
Ikaw, tanong ka?
Actually, only one question lang po. Since yearly nga po ginagawa ito ng school and 3 years pa lang po na-management siya. So, meron po bang future plans for the next year?
Ay, wala na pong ano to. Wala na pong hinto ito. It is the right thing to do. It is a very great occasion to celebrate yung karangalan na binibigay ng mga Pilipinas sa bayan natin sa Pilipinas. It has to be bigger all the time. Meaning, it is a very sincere program of the Philippine Sports Commission. It's a beautiful program, and thank you to Commissioner Bombo for really organizing this in behalf of PSC and the Filipino Olympic Committee.
Right?
Gusto mo, alam mo, next things na pwedeng about this awarding ceremony.
Well, ano to? Bigyan natin ng parangal so that we can really encourage young Filipinos to take up sports para ipursige nila. Bigyan natin sila ng training ground sa buong Pilipinas, regional training centers. Makikita naman natin sa porta ng gobyerno. Dito si Senate President Tito Soto, dito si Senator Bongo, dito si President Bambol Tolentino. Ibig sabihin, ganun ka-importante itong parangal na ito na binibigay ng Philippine Sports Commission. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thank